Right, so I'm here alone. Parang bitter lang, no? No, I'm in a coffee shop. I'm writing my outline for my 6-month masterclass. Yan. So, mag-start na po siya ng probably 2 weeks from now. I'll be launching it. So, it's a masterclass for all who wants to achieve one big goal in their life. So, I want to help people na may mga pangarap na sa buhay. Di ba, minsan meron tayong long time dream na hindi na natin nagawa. You want to write a book, you want to start your own business, you want to convert your idea into something like a business, or you want to be the best MC, the best host in your company, diba? So, meron tayong mga dreams, meron tayong mga pangarap. Ang problem is, na-stop tayo after dreaming, after identifying that goal, and worse, minsan hindi pa natin na-identify, wala tayong nagagawa, okay? So, may 6-month masterclass will help you to help build your dream. What is the long lost dream na hindi mo na siya nakapa ngayon, nawala na siya sa isipan mo because you were already give up on this, ayaw mo na siya, di ba? So, this masterclass is open to all. So, OFW or here in the Philippines, okay? We'll be having session on personal session and online. So, we'll be scheduling that. So, it's why 6 months, Doc G? 6 months because I think one of the secrets of the successful people is doing their craft, doing their project, doing their dream in minimum of 6 months. That's what actually I did when I started my YouTube channel, because before it became successful, I spent 6 months. 6 months of, vlogging, researching, keep on improving with my team. So, anong gagawin namin next, saan kami pupunta, what's our concept and everything. So, I spent 6 months for that, okay? And thanks, boss. Okay. Then another, when I wrote my first book, okay? So actually dito ko siya ni-launch sa Binary, yung aking book, How to Embrace Transformation. Everything, the write up, editing, and minimum of 6 months. I spent minimum of 6 months for that, okay? So I think even best people, successful people, spend 6 months, a minimum of 6 months in doing their thing, like Zuckerberg when he was doing his Facebook, Bill Gates, and Jack Ma, okay, and other successful people, okay? So maybe it's your turn now, okay? So you can enroll in my 6-month masterclass, okay? So just message me, this is my number, 0939-525-4311, or sa aking FB page, okay? Whatever is the dream that you're thinking about right now, it can be realized, okay? I can help you with my 6-month masterclass. Alright, so please share this video sa lahat ng kaibigan natin, kahit OFW o dito sa Pilipinas, para sama-sama tayong mabago at umunlad nating buhay. Alright, so thank you very much, Universe. Enjoy the rest of the day, eh? Let's go.